You want to talk to her?
Me?
It would have show say you grow. And show say you pass the petty squabble them wanna have.
Me will talk to her.
Just approach it like you're concerned, not like she mess up.
Alright.
But that's after you finish your assignment. So, let me brief you now.
You did send something to my phone, right?
I send you the location of the place. You're going to use back your alias name, Crystal. When you go in, you're going to tell him say you want a funeral package. And you're requesting to see his most expensive casket. Them there, him not put on display.
Alright, 2 things. I'm gonna need a surname for Crystal. And what if I'm in the funeral home?
Now you're asking the right questions. The funeral home that I mean, funeral home I'm always there. So, what we're going to do is get a tail him, and make sure say, at the same day.
Because him have other locations, not true?
But that time main location. As it relates to your last name, I come up with 3. You can choose which one you want. First one, Crystal Chatterlot, Crystal Phoenix, Crystal Yo-Yo.
How about Crystal Palmer? You work with that.
Is what? You don't like the name them?
Bubbles. You really just look around the room and find what last name give me?
Yeah, cause you said you need a last name. I told you about being creative.
Alright, but me create Palmer. Me work with Palmer.
Alright, so here what he. When you go up on the assignment here, nothing about your body language can be suspicious. It's a whole army youth we are dealing with. Enough to read body language.
Don't worry. I've been practicing my acting skills.
Remember, leave your badge.
What the fuck? You keep it for me. That girl then nearly broke my nails.
Young lady, you can't use your knife fingers when your nails do. You have to use your knuckles.
Oh, and that you do to me? Knife knuckles. Ah. Still hurt me.
Come. Oh shit, come up with some ice pan for you.